Hello everyone, this video is about the context of the Pacman. Our team name is pacgohost. We will use true AI techniques to develop our agents, monocover tree and A-star search. Firstly, let me introduce MCT defensive agent. The tree is mainly divided into two branches. One is for has invader, the other one is for no invaders. The main defensive strategies are as follows. Firstly, it should be always in our side and do not reach the opponent's side. If no invader is detected, it will patrol the side defensive area. Next, try to keep moving and try not to turn back. Only when there's no defensive target, we repeat the path. If an invader is detected, it will hunt down the nearest one. For the offensive agent, we firstly make it to get to the attack area, just like the yellow block in the figure. After that, we develop two strategies to control the Pacman. The first one is using MCTS to find the action to get to the position with the most value. The other one is to change the agent's target according to the opponent's state. And then we choose the action with the minimal distance to the target. We develop a target flat, which is changed according to opponent's state, and decide use which strategies. Then let me show some interesting scenarios of the MCT agents for the defensive agent. It first chases the close enemy, and when another opponent has eaten the food, it will lock its position and catch it. For the offensive agent, the red team is MCT. After eating the food, when the enemy is detected, the offensive agent will return to home for score. But the MCT agent still has the problems to be solved. We can see that when offensive agent being chased, sometimes it will choose a dead end to escape and finally will be eaten by the ghost. There are some challenges about the MCTS. In the process of the evaluation, the value of a state is calculated by features multiplied by weights, but it is hard to set the perfect weights. In some situations, the agent may also choose useless actions. Next, I will introduce the A-star search method we developed. We use two heuristic search targets. The first one is to find the entrance or capture while tracing heuristic. Larger for the location near the ghost, smaller for the location near the entrance or capture. The next one is to find the intruder while looking for food heuristic, larger for states nearer ghost or less noisy instance. Smaller locations near intruders and food. When Pacman is traced by the ghost, the second goal will be applied. Once a food is targeted by an agent, another one will choose the target among the rest of the food. If all the food has become the target, it will enter the defense agent. Let me show some interesting scenarios of the A-star search agents. For the defensive agents, when the enemy is the capture, it will keep a distance from the enemy to avoid being eaten and eat the opponent after getting rid of scared. Well, for the offensive agent, when offensive agent detects the enemy agent is nearby, it will choose to escape back to our half and get a score. But the A-star search also has a problem. When, if for example, in some situations, it will do repeated operations and enter endless loop and cannot break it. Here's a possible improvement for the MCT method. We want to apply the reinforcement learning method, like approximate Q-learning, to get a better evaluation of the state, so we can have a better score. When about as for the heuristic search, other algorithms can be added to help determine when to get rid of the loop. Okay, that's all. Thank you for your time.